Here's a bunch of reasons you should vote for me.
Alia is amazing. Alia cares about others and will always show up for the team no matter what.
I don't know anybody who busts their ass quite as hard as Alia.
Alia is someone who has an infatigable energy. Is that a word?
Alia is the dopest person I've ever met at marketing. No one can market like they can. Like, no one. Just try.
Do you even market like a gay person? No, you don't.
Hey, check out these pictures I took.
Whoa, check out this new post from the Gigi Dance Instagram. Let me see that. Bruh.
Hi, and welcome back to the Joy of Marketing, where we review some of my finest pieces of work. They're pretty good. I don't know, not much to say here. Oh, sorry, that shouldn't be there. That one's pretty good. Yeah, no, sorry, I don't know how these got in here. Yeah, sorry. Oh, but that's a masterpiece.
Oh, hell no, man, what the fuck?
Don't sweat the technique.
Thanks so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment. Can we hit 125 subscribers? Just wondering, 125, big number, we're almost there. Tell all your friends to subscribe. You don't want to miss out on more Minecraft content, I guess. What the hell did I just watch? I mean, you didn't even say anything useful. Like, give me one good reason I should vote for you. Fair enough. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.